I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating your Trade Nation account and verifying ID. This reduces withdrawal delays later. Once done, pick Demo to learn risk-free or Live to trade real markets. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for security and link your bank for deposits. Fund the account with at least $50 to unlock basic features. This amount lets you place small trades and test order execution. By starting here, you remove setup friction and get straight to practical trading steps. You now configure the platform for consistent execution. Choose candlestick charts and a preferred time frame to focus your strategy. Once set, add indicators like moving average and RSI so you can spot trends and divergence quickly. Make sure to define stop loss and take profit defaults to manage risk automatically, and learn the distinction between market, limit, stop, and trailing stop orders. This setup ensures you can enter and manage positions predictably. It speeds decision-making when markets move fast. You place a small live trade first to confirm execution, fees, and slippage. This practical check prevents surprises on larger positions. Once the trade is active, monitor price action and adjust stops or scale out gradually to lock profits or reduce exposure. If orders fail or prices look wrong, first verify your internet connection and account balance, then review order type and limits. If the problem persists, contact Trade Nation support with your trade ID and a screenshot for fastest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.